In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an existing template in Wrike. Whether you're planning a marketing campaign, preparing for a product launch, or getting ready for your next sprint planning session, Wrike's template gallery offers a wide range of options to help you get started quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. To begin, head over to the left sidebar of your Wrike workspace. Here, you'll find the option labeled Search. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu which presents you with several options. You're going to want to focus on the section marked Templates. By selecting this, you open the gateway to Wrike's template gallery, a curated collection of pre-designed workflows that can streamline your project management process. Once you've accessed the template gallery, take a moment to explore the range of templates available. The gallery is organized into various categories, including marketing campaigns, product launches, sprint planning, and more. Each template is crafted to cater to different project needs, providing a structured starting point tailored to specific tasks and objectives. After you've browsed through the selection and identified a template that suits your current project requirements, it's time to put it to use. Select the template that best meets your needs and then click on Use Template. This simple action sets a series of wonderful things in motion. Wrike will automatically generate a new project or folder from your chosen template. This new setup is more than just a blank slate. It comes pre-filled with tasks, statuses, and an established structure, saving you the time and effort of organizing everything from scratch. With your template now transformed into a working project or folder, you're ready to dive into the details. As you explore the pre-filled tasks, take note of the statuses and the overall structure provided by the template. This foundation allows you to quickly adapt your strategy, delegate tasks to team members, and set deadlines with ease. You can adjust and customize any aspect of the project to better fit your team's specific workflows and goals. And there you have it, a seamless way to implement an existing template in Wrike, empowering you to hit the ground running with your projects. Remember, these templates are crafted to alleviate the initial burden of project setup, offering a solid framework so you can focus more on execution and results. So next time you're setting up a project, don't hesitate to turn to Wrike's template gallery for a head start. Thank you for watching and happy planning in Wrike.